Good morning, everyone. Hey, buddy. Marty's had his medicine, and I just let him out a minute ago. He ate a bit in the house. Stripes out here wandering somewhere. Hey, bud. Good morning. Good morning. Gonna be a scorcher today. They said we broke a record yesterday at 93. The previous high was 92. And today we're supposed to be 94 and the record's 95. 94 will be a scorcher. It feels not horrible out here, but you can definitely tell the humidity. Don's already been to the mailbox and watered the plants out there, and I've got to get out here and water stuff too. Yeah, I'll be turning on some of the drip lines this morning, and I'll be across the bridge watering out there. There is rain in the forecast for the weekend, so I'm hoping that doesn't evaporate. Well, I spent about an hour watering, mostly in the front yard across the bridge. And then I came in and cooled off and edited yesterday's video with a cup of iced coffee. That was nice. Tempest, which, just to remind you guys, is installed over here in the side yard, says it's currently 87 degrees. Sorry, Morris, I didn't mean to worry you. And the humidity is only 52%, which for us is like, who cares? That's nothing. It's fine in the shade. It's hot on the asphalt. That's really all I can tell you. Here's Marty. They like to sleep there in the shade. I'm so happy Marty has this nice maple tree to keep this closed chair cool. And that maple provides shade there on the bench. So they're actually useful for the kitties. I've got making pepperoni pizza, you know, the low-carb version for lunch. And I'm going to work on my Lego for a minute. I do want to mix up my dirt, though, which I should be able to do in reasonable comfort under the Cyberport. But this sprinkler's been running long enough, so I'm going to cut it off. And these tough buttons, they work really nice for cutting the water on and off. I really like that Don set up. And Geisha Gone Wild and the Viridis are looking nice down there. They get a little bit of sun, and then they're in the shade the rest of the day, which is basically what most Japanese maples are going to tolerate. A little bit of morning sun, and then they need to be in the shade. This is bag 5 of 7, and it looks like I'm building another branch to add to the main tree part, which is pretty significant at this point. So the tree is done. I think this set is much nicer than I could have envisioned just looking at pictures of it online. It's pretty great. I got 2 more bags to go, 6 and 7, and they're going to build the 2 birds. Hi, buddy. He heard me come out, and he came, stood up over there. There's Marty. I'd bet you money Morris is over there, too. I'm pretty determined, even if it's going on 90 degrees, that I'm going to get my thing of dirt made. So, yeah, I'm going to get my thing of dirt made. Okay, I blew the parking pad. I did get my dirt mixed. I filled the pot in the front yard. I took all the leftover large pine bark nugget, the mulch, the big pieces, and mulch stuff down on the other side of the bridge. And I've had enough fun out here now. I'm headed inside. I got plenty of steps and plenty of exercise out here in the heat. Whew! So the parts came for me to finish up the botanical garden, and I'm going to do that before I build the 2 birds. Well, it's much closer to done. I thought I ordered a sticker sheet because I'm missing like 2 stickers. Not this one, but this one. This one here is blank. I'm missing, and this one is blank. The rest are here. And I thought I had ordered the trans blue with a single stud in the center for here. Right now I've just got a light, what is it, light turquoise or aqua colored But that's it. Everything else is there, including the minifigures. And I added the pie and the cups and the little teapot. This is the branch I added earlier today, and this is the two lovebirds I just built. And hi, sweetheart. Hi, did you come want to help me do my review? That's a good girl. She goes, you talk, I come, Mom. Like I said yesterday when I started this, I totally think it's worth it now that I've built it, for the price, for the parts, for the you know, it was complicated enough that it was a good kit for an adult with some building experience. Considering it's florals and they can be finicky about how you put them together, I thought it wasn't too finicky, and I really enjoyed the build. So anyway, there you have it. Hi.